Hi everyone, we are from Group 9 Class 2D Politeknik Negeri Banyuwangi. We will bring the UML State Diagram material. Before that, introduce the group members, namely Luluk Triyani as editor, Erna and Khasanah as presenter, and Fitri Sukma Kinasih as member. Okay, now on to the materi. What's the UML State Diagram? In the context of behavioral modeling, two different state characterizations must be considered. 1. The state of each class when the system performs its function, and 2. The state of the system observed from the outset when the system performs its function. The class state takes on both passive and active characteristics. The passive state is simply the current value assigned to an object attribute. The active state of an object indicates the state of the object as it undergoes continuous transformation or processing. An event, sometimes called a trigger, must occur to force an object to make the transitions from one active state to another. Diagram state for analysis class. One component of the behavior model is a UML state diagram that represents the active state for each class and the event triggers the cause changes between these active states. The figure to the right illustrates the status diagram for the control panel object in the safe home security function. The label displayed for each arrow represents the event that triggered the transitions. While the active state model provides useful insight into the life history of an object, it is possible to specify additional information to provide a deeper understanding of the behavior of an object. In addition to specifying the event that causes the transitions to occur, you can define guard and action. Guard is a Boolean condition that must be met for the transitions to occur. For example, the guard for the transitions from the reading state to the comparing state in figure can be determined by examining the use case. If password input equal 4 digits, then compared with the store password. In general, the guard for transitions usually depends on the value of one or more attributes of an object. In other words, the guard depends on the passive state of the object. An action occurs simultaneously with a state transition or because of it and generally involves one or more operation responsibility objects. For example, the action connected to the password entered even in the image is an operation named validation password, which accesses the password object and performs a digit-by-digit comparison to validate the entered password. Okay, that's all for our materi. Thank you and goodbye.